Hi trader, in this video I'll show you how I refuted the using strategy with MACD indicator because everyone continue to trade using this strategy. It's extremely wrong, so I'll show you. We are already on the pocket option. We have $6,000 time frame 30 seconds. We see this indicator. $100. We open the first candle down deal and we start analyze this indicator. We see moving averages, red prevails, both are directed down the bars, also red bars overcome the zero mark. In the bottom position, the indicator completely tells us about opening a downside trade. This deal, yeah, we see 6 seconds left. Yeah, it's not working. One, we see minus balance, so we minus $100. So we see this. Don't forget about this strategy. We see up deal and we start analyzing. So what we see here, 3 green bars. We see moving change in progress. So we take a closer look specifically in this case. Don't confuse the upward trend, and we open the deal for an increase, and yeah, we see this second deal is already in the negative for us. So the whole strategy, we see third currency pair, and we'll confirm this that this strategy is terrible. I remind you about this, but people continue to use this strategy very bad. And yeah, we see red one is also prevailing over the green one. We move on to the upward trend, so downward trend. We see, yeah, the picture has already changed in our chart. MACD, we see minus deal traders. So this is happened. I tested this strategy on the three concepts, so will not finishing this video. I'll show you how to trade correctly. If you're struggling to understand trading indicators or disappointed with the results, you're probably losing money. My free trading team is here to help you. Every day I share trading signals that you can copy manually or automatically by connecting to my social trading. I'm always ready to help you at every step. If you need to make $50 or even more, $1,000 per day, join my Telegram group now then, and you'll find interesting stories of new buys and real results. The number of places is limited, so do not miss the chance. Join today and start your profitable trading with a zigzag indicator. This settings is default. We go to pocket option and turn on these indicators and start trading. So we see fourth concept, and you can go to my Telegram channel also to copy my deals and trade with me. See these trends. We highlighted the support and the resistance area, and we go up. 3 green bars. 3 seconds left. Yep, we see plus deal. So we see how to trade it correctly with me in my Telegram channel. So I'll show you how to trade correctly with my Telegram channel with my strategy. And we start our analysis with my indicators. We see 2 support areas. I think it was recovery. Yeah, we see green line, relatively red. Yep, plus deal, large profit, and it's good. It's pretty good. For us, we go into plus. And we move on to the next counterpart. We still have 3 counterparts. And I'll testing with you my strategy. We go up. What we see? Support area. We reached it. And in most cases, there will be a reversal from it. Yeah, reversal of the uptrend. Green bars in the MACD, 2 moving ones, yeah, directed up. We see some growth, yeah, plus DL we see my strategy is working. And don't forget about my Telegram channel. I show you my trading. Yeah, we see on the MACD green lines prevailing and uptrend we see here on the chart. This movement to this area. 3 seconds left. Yep, good, perfect. We see plus DL. So everything is working, you see it. I repeat the video without cuts. You see this all. Good. So we go to the last counterpart. Down deal, $150. Yeah, we see decline. MACD red bar we see last. It's not yet shown very correctly, but I suppose it's correct. 2 seconds. 1, yeah, good, perfect. We see plus DL, and I think you see it on your own how to use this strategy correctly with these indicators, with MACD, with zigzag. We did some analysis and use these zigzag and MACD indicators and opened plus deals. So don't forget about my Telegram channel and my YouTube channel, and thanks for watching. See you in the next video.